Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of blurry on Uber app. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Uber app and you can click. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can go to Play Store. You can search about Uber, you can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.